Kung isa kang school faculty or admin, panoorin mo to hanggang dulo. Dahil sa National Energy Emergency, kahit sa loob ng school or sa bahay, malaki ang epekto nito sa atin. Kaya naglabas ang DepEd ng Memorandum No. 24, 2026 about flexibility ng private schools para sa learning delivery. At ayon sa learning guidelines, meron itong 4 na key stages. At karamihan sa recommendations nito is to use a simple learning management system. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang naka-fix ang setup ng school. They can use their blended learning, online, or that flexibility learning. Yung kayang mag-handle ng short teacher-led lessons, assignments, feedbacks, and collaborative projects at self-paced learning modules. Good news! Lahat yan kaya mo nang gawin with Silid LMS. Simple lang gamitin, it's a user-friendly and very flexible. Depende na lang syempre sa needs ng school mo. At hindi lang yan, may extra features pa na pwede mong makuha once mag-inquire ka ngayon. Kung gusto mong maging ready ang school mo, message us now. Share mo na rin to sa mga co-teachers mo.